Okay, class, today you're going to learn about equivalent fraction. So let's look at the question 1 here. Think about 5 and 1, what's the relationship? You can look at the multiplication chart here. 5, 10, traced to 1 will be what? 2. In other words, if you look at this, 1. So we know from here to here means what? It times multiplied by 5, right? So here had to be what? Multiplied by 5. So what times 5 equals 10? So it had to be 2. Therefore, the answer here is 2. Okay, next question. Not too hard, right? Okay, so with 2 over 3 equals 6 over here. Again, look at the relationship here. 3 and 6 is what? Is 3 times 2, right? Is 6. So again, 2 times 2 will be 4. Therefore, your answer here will be 4. Now the next one. So again, here so 2 is 1 times 2. Then here had to be what? 3, right? So it had to be 3. Okay, next one. 9 over 18. What is 9 over 18? In a way is, and then here we have 2, right? So now let's look at the relationship here. Here is what? It means 9, right? So if here 2 times 9 is 18, or 18 divided by 9 is 2. So here had to be 9. So in order to have 9, it had to be 1, because 1 times 9 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So your answer is 1. So now let's look at the next one. You have something 14 equals half. So again, you know this, the relationship is 7, right? So here had to be what? 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So the answer is 7. I hope by now you sort of get a pattern. Okay, let's see the next one. 4 over 9 equals A over what? So think about this. 4 to A is what? Times 2. So 9 had to be what? Times 2, right? So it had to be what? 18. 9 times 2 is 18. So your answer here is 18. Now let's look at the next one. 12 and 16 equals 3. Again, let's look at the relationship here. This is what? 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So what times 4 is 16? So it means 4, right? So you can put 4 here. Okay, next one. We also can see here, let's try 12, 16. 12, 16 is 3 and 4, right? Okay, now let's look at next question. A over 10 equals 4 over what? Let's try with a multiplication chart here. A and 10, let's see, can we find A and 10? Okay, here. A and 10 is what? 4 over 5. I don't even have to calculate it. So here is 5. And then you look at the relationship here, just to make sure you know it. Isn't it 2? 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10, right? Now next one. So 5 over 10, let's find 5 over 10 and find 20. 20 is what? It's 10. So let's try it here. See if we can find a pattern here. So we have 10, 20. So here has a 5 and 10. So again, so you think about this. This is what? 2, right? 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Yeah? Okay. Let's see next one. 7, 14. So you look at 7 and 14. 28. So let's look at 4 here. There are several places you can see 7 and 14, right? But then we're going to look at 28. We don't have 28 here. So let's find another 14. 14. Okay, I guess the number is too big. So let me just write it. 7, 14. And here's 28. So the relationship here is 2, right? Then the relationship here also is 2. So 2 times 7 is 14. So here will be 14. Next one. Next one number is a little bit big. So let's see. Next one is something 24 equals 48 over 42. So let's see here. So from here to here is what? It's 2, right? So the same thing here to here will be 2. So half of 48 is 24. Half of 42 is 21. So the answer is 21. Next one. 613. So think about 13 is what number? 13 times 2 is 26. So 6 times 2 is, if you don't remember, you can do it here. 2 and 6 is 12. And that's why I put this multiplication chart here for you. So here will be 12. So next one, 30 equals 5, 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So 5 times 5. Remember we are doing the factor, so it had to be some factor, right? So 5 times 5 is 25. So we put 25 here. Okay, next one. 15 and 48. 16. So what is the relationship between 16 and 48? So isn't it 3? We don't have a chart up to 16, so you don't know. But if you're not sure, you can do 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 on the top. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 48. So that's why I know it's 3. So again, if this 3 times 3 is 48, or divided by 3. 16. So we're going to do divide by